Duro has the means of managing change on any item and communicating it through the rest of your organization. In this example, my base platform is 300 series stainless steel, and my two manufacturing partners have told me that there's a shortage of this particular material type. If I can change it, they can get it to me faster and cheaper. So let's make that change. In my research, I found that instead of using 300 series stainless, 400 series met my needs and was available. So I'm going to make that change. Now I'm going to release my item and communicate that change to the rest of the organization. Now clicking over to Duro, I can see that a change order has already begun. So I'm going to modify that. Here's my base platform attached. In our approver list, I'm going to go ahead and use our predefined template for a machine part. This automatically assigns all of the reviewers necessary, as well as everyone in our notification list. Umer is my main source of contact at my manufacturer, so I want to notify them on approval. I'm going to go ahead and move this forward for approval. And now my item has been reviewed. Since I had it as first in only, I'm communicating the change of material to everyone else in the organization. I can now go ahead and look back at my base platform and see the revision history and the changes that were just applied.